take a look at the laundry room here at Encore Foothills Village. So they've got quite a lot. First of all, they use the card. So you have to have one of those cards. Of course, you can use them at any CSC that has it. So the same card I use at ARB Acres I'm using here. You can just refill it in the laundry room. If you need to buy a card, you have to go into the office. Their machines have it. They have cable TV in here, so you can watch cable TV while you're folding your laundry. Little chairs here where I'm sitting. Anyway, they got a bunch of machines and dryers. It's $2 to wash, $2 to dry. Sink in here. They got baskets. They got the bathroom. There's one here on this side for women, the other side for men. And it's right next to the gym, so you can even do a workout. Sit on a big green ball if you want to. And they have weight machines. Anyway, pretty cool. So we're doing laundry this morning because we leave on Sunday, and I always like to have the laundry done before we take off. So that's the plan this morning. More to come. Ooh, look at that pretty sky tonight. Isn't that lovely? I like it. Nice and blue. Sun's gonna go down in about an hour. Well, there's Kurt's foldable bicycle. I thought maybe we would do another update of the stickers on the camper. Let's see here. Let's see. We added the Colorado River one. Let's see. We already had Wyoming, Devil's Tower. Let's see up here. Well, we got a Bucky. Oh, there. We got a new High Tanks Brewery and a Howling at the Moon in Arizona. Oh, Lutz Casino is new. Yuma Territorial Prison is new. The rest of these are from the Florida Panhandle, so nothing changed there. Yeah, pretty much the same. You know what I like? I like that I can wear a tank top, as you can see, and be outside, and it's just absolutely a beautiful day. I like it. Gosh, look at this crazy hair I got going on. I can stick it in a ponytail today. How are you guys doing? It's been so long since I've seen everybody back home. I miss you all. And we're going to start making our way up the west coast here shortly. So got a couple of days, and then we head to Palm Desert, which is right next to Palm Springs, California. Temperature's going to be about 70, 80s, it says, for the time. We're going to be there for about a week, and then we'll head from there. So I'll keep you guys up to date. Miss ya. We're just loving this Magna Shade. Keeps the sun out of the inside, and people can't see into the camper during the day at all. They can see into the day at nighttime, but boy, it made a big difference when it was 100 degrees outside. It really cut the stuff out. Here's the Magna Shade company that we got it from directly online, and we highly recommend getting one, that's for sure. All right, bingo time. Gila Mountain RV. Wish us luck.
Hi. Playing Golf Clash.
Hi.
Did you like and subscribe? Thanks!